Seriously, pose.
Perfect.
Yeah. Blocks.
Yeah.
Altarky Designs, come get your merch, boys.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Oh, wait, hold on. I gotta turn the ISO up. You mad dark right now.
What you trying to say about me?
Bro, I can't see your face in the camera. That's what I'm trying to say.
Sunlight outside.
Yeah,
Why you can't see me?
You're not facing the sun.
Hey, Top.
They won't fit my. Put on the back of his truck because they won't fit mine.
Wait. Face this way? Alright, so, how do you feel now that you got Sylvie? No, that's not Sylvie. I forget her name. Sylvie and Ginger up on the trailer.
Oh, their names.
Yep.
Yeah, they got names. So it's crazy. We got Ginger, Sylvia, and the truck Sylvie.
I like it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man.
How do you feel to no longer see these shit boxes in the shop anymore?
I'm glad it's no longer my fucking headache anymore.
Well, it's getting replaced with mine, so. That's kind of how it goes. Me and Andrew just keep going back and forth. And
Yeah.
Mike's too, because Mike's trying
First it was your hunk of shit fuckus,
Yeah.
then your Miat, then these two fucking things, and then back to the Miat.
And then there's me.
Then there's your busted ass German piece of shit.
All reliable, that needs new shocks.
Needs a new car. 58 minutes or 58 seconds is the video I took you driving for the first time.
Hey. All right. So we got it running.
You back out.
Got it running.
I'm gonna need you to take your hat off.
Now, you trying to say I'm black?
Come look at this.
Smile real quick.
Damn.
Smile real quick.
Okay, smile, sunshine, so we can see you.
Anyway, she's running. I drove it. I finally drove it. Now, it's taking another year and a half to get the body right.
Another year.
Next year, I'll stay with me.
I mean, we got progress, you know,
Yeah.
from 11 years ago. It drives now.
Hey,
You still got.
hey. If it didn't run till next year, it'd be 2024. 12 years a slave.
Anyway, boys.
If it ain't on the road by 2024, so you're slave because it lived on jack stands and a live.
I'm gonna just go ahead and end this video here. I'm gonna go ahead and make shorts and little TikToks of this.